will benefit from these courts. She was raped 2 years ago and lived in fear. Her rapists were freed.
I feel very uncomfortable about this story. I feel like I can kill myself about this story, and the government must just do something about this. I can't take it anymore.
South Africa has one of the highest rates of rape in the world. 65,000 attacks are reported each year. The courts will ensure swift justice. 22 courts will be set up this year.
We cannot remain unmoved as government, but we have to take steps in ensuring that all those perpetrators of these heinous crimes must be brought to book, and this is one of the ways of dealing with it.
Rights activists have welcomed the move.
It signals an era in our history whereby, we want to make sure that the issues of gender discrimination, oppression and inequality insofar as gender is related are being arrested and being dealt with through our courts.
Radebe says sexual assaults against women and children must be dealt with firmly. Patricia Fasahi, SABC News, Pretoria.